Okay, once again, let's hit for restart. And we're not going to use these graphing features in Maple for our course. Okay, so let me just explain first couple of subsections only here. Okay? But please read the remaining parts. Okay, to draw some kind of graph, we use plot command a lot. So in this case, the meaning of this is we want to draw a graph for 3 times x squared minus 8 from x is negative 5 to 5, right? So when you hit enter for that, it will produce this kind of graph. So this red curve is for y equals 3x squared minus 8. Definitely passing negative 8 here, right? And the graph is from negative 5 to 5, right? This much. So look at here. If we change this one to negative 3 to 3 and hit enter again, it only gives us that much. To make sure that, how about from negative 1 to 4, that it only gives us that much, like that. Okay? So this is how we draw a graph. And in this case, the decision of this range parts for y is depends on the corresponding y values for these ending domains, right? But you can also give some specific commands, right? So the condition for domain and range you can assign actually as you like, right? So instead of negative 20, how about negative 40? Then you can actually draw like this. So this is how we handle the window size for x-axis and y-axis. So I believe this is enough, like x over x minus 2. So we have kind of hotspots in 2, right? So it's not good, and to draw much better way to show it, because it's giving us, look at here, if you don't put any y condition like this, then it tries to show all the possible values, right? So when x approaches 2, the function value is really going up and down, right? So this graphing is not good, because it could be go up to infinity, right? So it doesn't show the real necessary parts of this graph. So that's how we want to assign the range values, right? So about negative 20 to 20. Now you see much clearer pictures what's happening with this function graph around x equals 2. Of course, still there is some kind of unnecessary vertical line at the end. But let's worry about that one later. Okay, this one once again like this. So we need to do it again, showing what really happens around this part, right? Okay. So please do this exercise too. Okay, and let me just cover next subsection. Okay. How can you put several different equations in the same xy plane? So using this bracket, right? So first function or equation is cosine x, second one is x squared on this window size, right? So like this. In this case, these colors of graphs are automatically assigned, but if you really want to decide the color, this is how you can do that, right? And these are the kind of possible colors in Maple, okay, for graphing. So please change any of these and check how it works. And this is another exercise. Please do so. So the homework from this section is from the first two subsections, right? You don't need to do anything here, but I really recommend to this part by yourself. And please let me know if you have any question.